everyone, this is Luna the Moon Tarot. My name is Neha Tankha, and welcome to today's Pick a Card Tarot reading. We are diving in what's next in love for you. If you've been wondering about your future in love, your soulmate, or whether someone special is coming into your life, this timeless tarot reading is for you. Stay with me till the end because the messages here might be exactly what you need to hear right now. Okay, so let's quickly deep dive this this reading, as it's a pick a card tarot love reading. What's next in love for you? So choose one of these crystal, the green or the yellow one. I'm gonna give you a second. Close your eyes, take your person's name, choose a crystal, and connect to my energies by liking this video and drop I claim abundance in love in the comment section, and this particular reading is going to resonate with you. I hope that you have chosen your crystal right now, and for people who have chosen the green crystal, this particular reading is for you. Let's see what does the angels has to say. Okay, what does the angels has to say? Oh my god, we have soulmate here. Something tells me that you are dealing with your soulmate connection. Okay, this person is from your past life, from a life beyond this life. All right, you are dealing with somebody you cannot resist with. You connect this to this person in a very 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 strong way, and you cannot hold yourself. The emotional connect is pretty strong. And yes, if you've been asking this question, is the person my soulmate, then the absolute answer is yes. This is your soulmate. Forgive and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So I do see that whatever has gone wrong right now, and we have true love at the bottom of the deck, which says this is the romance of a lifetime. Oh my god, I see that no matter whatever situation you are going through right now, we are of course doing going to do a deep dive. I do see that you are dealing with a soulmate, and this is your true love. And if you've been asking what is going to happen next, we are going to check right now. Okay, so I hope that you've closed your eyes, you've hit the like button to connect with my energies, because this particular reading is going to resonate with people who have subscribed, followed, and dropped a comment and liked this particular reading. Let's see what's next in love. I am sure that this is your soulmate that you're dealing with. Whatever has gone wrong, you are ready to forgive, because this is your true love. What's next in love? What is this person thinking? Oh my god, we have the opening cards here as the Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Three of Wands. That tells me that somewhere down the line, your person has been hiding something. Hiding does not mean that there can be a third party. We'll definitely check whether, if any point of time, if the third party comes up in this particular reading. But apart from that, I do see that they are hiding their own feelings. They are not somebody who likes to express things. They keep everything within themselves, and they like it like that, because there are few people in in this world who are not very expressive, and they actually feel very vulnerable while, if they have to go ahead and tell anything to anyone, express. They, people do not nowadays, express things, because they feel if they are going to be vulnerable in front of anyone, people are going to take advantage of them. And right now I feel that they are hiding something. They may have blocked you, they may have blocked you energetically, they may have pushed you away, but the fact is that they are hiding their true feelings and true intentions behind their, that that tough exterior. Because right now it seems like they are very much thinking about their stability, their finances, maybe thinking about a long term future prospect wherein they want to focus on their career, on their life, on their finances. They want to build a house, they want to buy a house, they want to build a family. Maybe they are taking care of their family, but at the same point of time they are definitely looking for an expansion and growth in this particular situation as well. They are not telling you this thing because they don't want to commit to anything right now. They want to take things slow. There can be a no contact period in this particular situation, but it is not going to stay for long because it's a tower card. Tower card is not a permanent thing. Whatever thing has come down, okay, this particular building that has come down, it can be rebuilt, so it will be rebuilt. So the no contact situation is going to get over. With the seven of pentacles, I do see that you have been waiting for this person to confess, to commit to you, to come forward, to express their feelings to you, their true feelings to you, and that has been frustrating you from a very long time. And otherwise as well, I do see that this person has been working really hard, investing really hard. They are investing their time, their work, their energy, their hard work, everything. And that is what is making them feel frustrated, because they feel that they have done so much, they have done so much of hard work, and still they are not able to reap the fruits of their labor, and that is making them feel frustrated. They want to be in this particular connection, but their work is their priority. It seems they want to feel happy, they feel very happy whenever they are in your company. You may be dealing with a strong Leo sun, moon, rising, or Venus over here. Also, I see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The earth energy is quite strong here. Okay, and now the Virgo and Sagittarius also. So, this person may have gone into a shell, okay, wherein they are trying to get hold of their emotions, they're trying to heal themselves, they're trying to get hold of themselves, they're trying to understand what exactly they want to do out of this particular situation. They are trying to maintain patience, they are trying to heal themselves right now. Okay, and I do see that in the coming 9 to 20 days, I do see that in coming 9 to 15 days, or maximum within this month, within the middle of next month, sorry, I do see this person is going to heal, they are going to balance their emotions, they are going to come out of their shell, they are going to break the no contact situation, and they are going to come forward towards it, because they know that the true happiness and security lies within this particular connection. They are going to leave their pride, and they are going to leave their ego. They are going to come forward, and trust me guys, this is actually your true love, this is actually your soulmate that you're dealing with. So I would not be surprised, by the way guys, I don't know whether you are able to see this or not. Let me come a little closer. But I do see that this person definitely is your soulmate, you can see. And this person definitely is your true love. And this cannot be forgotten. No matter how many times you will try to move on, you won't be able to move on from this person, because this connection is such, it is supposed to happen the way it is happening right now. There may be delays, there may be road blockages, but it is supposed to happen no matter what. And I feel that upcoming next month, September, is going to be a better month for you, wherein this person will break the no contact situation, if there is any no contact situation, or if they have gone into a shell and not opening up properly, expressing their feelings. September is going to become better. Right now, I see there are a lot of fears, phobias. You may be dealing with the Pisces as well. Okay, you're dreaming about them. There's a strong telepathic connection that you feel with this person. They are dreams, you dreaming about them, they are dreaming about them, the messages are getting exchanged. So keep a tap on your dreams and in your intuitions, follow your intuitions as well. I see that you're feeling very restless, you're not able to sleep at night, you don't know why this is happening to you. But the fact is that before anything good can happen, there is a lot of turmoil that is happening in this particular connection right now. The spirit guides are telling me to indulge, to pass on this message for you to indulge in self love, take care of yourself, because I see that in upcoming days you are anyway going to take care of your love, of yourself, sorry. And once you start disconnected energetically from this person, I see this beautiful card coming up, that is two of cups. Beautiful energies, this is beautiful energies. Two of cups undoubtedly is a beautiful card to come up. Okay, so I see this, like I said, this is a soulmate connection, and this card also confirmed it. Okay, not only the oracle cards did. I see that you are getting indulged in self love, and that is giving you a lot of self assurance, that is giving you a lot of confidence in your life, and you are sort of disconnecting from the repercussion, the outcomes and everything, and from this person, and you are indulging in yourself, in your mental health, and you're trying to keep yourself sane right now, which is a very good thing, because that is something which is going to attract this person towards you. Trust me, guys, this is going to be it. This is going to attract this person towards you. So what's next in love for you, dear viewers, audiences here who has connected to my energies, is September is going to be the month wherein in upcoming 2 weeks you will be again getting into a relationship, and a no contact situation is going to break. Now, this is the time when I am going to do the reading for a pick a card for the people who have chosen this yellow crystal. And let's see what's next in love for you guys. What's next in love for my viewers, audiences who have chosen yellow crystal. By the way, guys, if you haven't like, share, subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, please do so that you are being notified. And I upload daily content on YouTube, so do not miss out on that. All right, and hit the like button to connect with my energies. People who have chosen yellow crystal, drop I claim abundance in love life in the comment section. This particular reading is going to resonate with those. Express your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So the card clearly says, in case if you haven't been expressing your love enough or your emotions enough, right now it's the time when you need to do so. You need to tell, you need to have a heart to heart conversation. You deserve love. You are lovable. And I do see that there is a retreat or a reconciliation also happening right here. Okay, so I do see that right now again. People, audiences here who's watching this particular reading, it may resonate with majority of you. I see a reconciliation is awaited in this particular connection. I see you guys after reconciliation, maybe even planning a trip, maybe even going out, maybe even thinking to go out, maybe a short trip, a weekend getaway, or something that you may be going, planning, or travel is definitely seen on the cards right now. Okay, you deserve love. Express what you feel. Have a heart to heart conversation with your person, and I'm sure that you're going to receive some sort of clarity. There is a lot of juggle in this particular connection. I feel that your person or you are trying to prioritize this connection over other stuff. Probably your person is trying to prioritize you but unable to. You are the priorities, just that they are just not able to give time, and that's why you guys may have fought, and this person has gone into a shell and you have gone into a shell. Maybe dealing with a very strong Virgo sign over here, sun, moon, rising, or Venus, and you have been waiting for this person to connect back with you, and that is frustrating because it has been at least 7 hours, 7 days, or 7 weeks. Okay, let me know in the comment section how long it has been since your person haven't contacted you and you've been waiting for them to contact you. Six of Pentacles, again I do see that there is a lot of frustration that is building up. There's a lot of waiting time. You have given a lot in this particular connection, and this person has only taken or received in this particular connection. Now is the time when the balance is going to be regained. This person is going to come back. They're thinking of an idea how to actually connect with you with a new passion, with a newfound passion that they feel towards you. They feel very attracted to towards you, and I do see that now they understand that there has been. See, I just said how to a conversation, and I just saw the card over here. Can you beat that? Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. That's what the card is saying right now. But there needs to be a balance, and this person now recognizes that there needs to be a balance. They want to expand this, they want to grow this particular connection, they want to grow together with you in this particular connection, and they are going to do that. Okay, they are just waiting for the right time when they can make an appearance, or what they can say to make things better within this particular situation or in this particular connection. With the Six of Wands, I feel they know that whenever they are going to come back, you are going to accept them back, because they have a lot of confidence on themselves. Okay, they have lot of confidence on themselves. With the Four of Swords, I do see that this person has been thinking about you, no matter how much busy they are during the daytime, but during night they are just not able to sleep. They are having sleepless nights because they feel that they did wrong by abandoning you. You are there while sleeping. They think about you. They are thinking about it so much that they are kind of losing their own patience and balance, because they see you as somebody who is there for long term. The four of wands and the two of swords, 1111, by the way, this is your sign if you've been seeing it quite often. Triple one, 1111, maybe on a watch, on a magazine, or maybe somebody's saying it, so this is your sign. Okay, I see that they are thinking about marriage also. Maybe you have put your foot down and you have told this person that you want to settle down, you are looking for marriage. Apart from that, you're not looking for anything else. You're looking for marriage, and that is what you want out of this particular connection, and that is what something this person is heavily thinking about. Should I not? Initially that thought actually scared them off. They kind of ran away because they thought that right now it's still, they need to put in more efforts in their life. Maybe financially they have to settle, maybe they have to do so many stuff right now, and they are not ready right now to be to commit to get married, because they need to do a lot of work, they need to do a lot of investment, they need to do a lot of improvisation, or let's say they need to improve themselves, they need to put a lot of work on themselves to be worthy of getting married first. And that is actually giving them and that is actually giving them sleepless nights. Okay, they are just not able to bear it. And with the four of pentacles, they are trying their level best, trust me, they are trying their level best. Okay, and to trying their level best as to what exactly they need to do. They may have not discussed this with you, but this is actually a reason why they are not contacting you. They don't want to give you any false hope out of impulse. They don't want to lose you either. They want to see how this connection is going to go. They want to explore more, because somewhere down the line I feel, they intuitively feel that this can work out, this can convert into a marriage, but right now they are not ready to commit anything on that sort, because they are not 100% sure. All right, guys. So that is what I see on the cards for you. Okay. So this is for a pick a card reading, and thank you so much for joining this pick a card tarot reading about what's next in love for you. If this resonated, do not forget to like, share, subscribe for more tarot love reading, soulmate messages, and future spouse predictions. You can also explore my other timeless tarot card readings on this channel for even deeper guidance. And if you did like a personal reading or love spells session, the link is in the description below. Sending you lots of love and light, and I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.